Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with another brand video for you guys with the 2013 Chevy Malibu. Let's go see it. Alright guys, so this is the view from the rear end of the vehicle. Everything looks intact from this angle. We're looking at it. The car got the mags and the rear bumper looks intact. It looks okay from this angle. As you see, there's slight damage over here. The front, there's a bit of damage here also, right here. And the front bumper is not completely painted. From what you see here, there's the damage right here, but you guys seeing this from the exterior side. So I'm gonna show you the interior part also, so you guys are gonna have the full image. There's a color difference right here between the bumper and the fender, but because the car is black, it's hard to see it in the video, especially with the sun coming out. And there's a bit of damage right here too. There's a bend here, and there's damages right there. Let me show you guys the under the hood. Alright guys, this is under the hood. The engine looks clean. The battery looks new. All the fluids looks okay. And there's not much rust on this car. All right. So we have the new look, the new dash on the Malibu here, the 2013 dash, and we have the LCD navigation audio on this car, which you can actually open it up, fold it by pressing this button. If you have something to hide here, you can probably hide it right there, and then close the LCD menu. As you see, the source, the home, everything is there. And what do we have on the dash? Just the seatbelt sign, which is gonna go away if I put the seatbelt on. Yes, it goes away. So basically we have no lights on the dash, which is a very good sign. Also, the windshield is not cracked. That's another positive point again. Everything is clean over here. You have the shifters over here. It's an automatic car. The parking brake. The seats are half leather, half cotton. And the back looks clean also. But the guy who owned this car was not really responsible, because there's only 150,000 kilometers on this car. You see the leather is almost gone on the driver's seat. So from what I see, I can tell the owner was not responsible enough to take care of the small things. So that's a very good point to have in mind before buying cars. Check if the owner is responsible enough. Looks clean. I really like the wood trim on these cars. Does it rev? Yes, it revs okay. Everything looks fine. And as you see here, 150,000 kilometers on it. So we fixed this car very cheap, for very cheap. I'm gonna put in the video the photos, how the car was purchased, how the car even looked from the beginning, so you guys have an idea how we fixed it. Our budget on this car was almost $500 to fix it, and the only things we changed was the radiator support, the front radiator support, the front bar on the top, and the two radiator support on the bottom, and the condenser, and this was pretty much it. And also forgot to tell you guys, the front left headlight was changed also. So the budget came up to $500 plus the car value, everything that adds up to it. The car is ready almost for sale, and we just have to repaint the front bumper, clean it, detail it, and make it ready for sale. But if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.